Most of you have been requesting for the software I use to forecast. The format I had it in, most of you can't use it, hence I have programmed it so those without Excel experience can use it. It goes for 200 sats. Obviously I can't give my hard work for free, my plans always remain free though, and I will keep posting. Inbox me in the link in the description if interested. Let's see the features of the Excel program. The data has all the past Lotto results: Monday, Lucky, Midweek Fortune Bonanza, National and ACETA. Let's say you wanna find all the events that played 10 at last box win on Monday special. This is what you will do. Click on the drop-down arrow at the position you want to search for to open the drop-down. Next, uncheck the select all and choose the number you want to find at last box. For this example we are searching for 10 at last box, so we select only 10 and click on OK. To get the results back after doing your search, you do this. You click on the drop down again and next you click on the clear filter and you get your data back. Another example, let's say we want to search for an event that played 53 at first box and 54 at center box on midweek. So you go to the first box column, next you click the drop down arrow, uncheck select all and select 53 and click OK. Next you go to the center box column, next you click the drop down arrow, uncheck select all and select 54 and click OK. Since we used 2 columns, we have to clear the filters for the 2 columns. Remember, in the first one we used only 1 column, so we cleared only once. Another easier way to clear the format is to do this. Click on the sort and filter and then click clear. Now let's get to how to search for the numbers. Let's say I want to search for the last draw of national. You can type the draw results into the space or copy and paste it into the space. After, you just click the button and wait for the program to highlight all the numbers. As you can see, the program highlighted all the numbers, so you can easily go through the charts and do your forecasting. To clear the entire chart, just click the clear button and that's all. To search for 2 past results, it is the same. Just copy and paste into the 2 draws part. Same for forecasting for 3 past results. Let's watch.